Hey there, today we're going to look at how to insert image in AutoCAD without losing link, permanent image embed. So let's get started. First, type Insert OBJ in the command line and press Enter. Then wait for the dialog box to appear. Over here, scroll through the object types list. After that, select Paintbrush Picture. Then click OK. Over here, wait for Microsoft Paint to open. Then paste a screenshot into Paint or open an image in another program and copy and paste it into Paint. After that, make sure the image appears correctly in Paint. Then return to your AutoCAD project. Over here, check that the image appears directly in the drawing. After that, rename the original image file on your computer to test the embedding. Then go back to your AutoCAD drawing. Over here, verify that the image is still visible in the project. Then confirm that the image remains in the drawing even after the original file has been renamed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.